This week, we're getting cute and cuddly at CatCon.
And then we're checking out sets from The Big Bang Theory.
Plus the latest theme park news and more coming at you from the attraction studio at Give Kids the World Village right now. Hello and welcome to this week's episode of the show. I'm Elisa.
And I'm Quinn.
Happy 4th of July.
Yeah, you got your red, white, and blue going on, and I have
So do you.
Well, I have Forky, and he technically is red, white, and blue, so
He
that
is.
works.
That is enough. You're representing America.
Thank you so much. And we actually have some breaking news. We didn't actually have a chance to put this in the news in the queue, but Epcot has officially announced what areas in Future World is closing to make way for the future expansions. And I have a list here. It's the Innoventions East, so Colortopia, the Nanu's Break, they're going to be closing. Club Cool is going to be closing. They, which I'm very sad about, but they said they were going to incorporate elements of it into other future areas of Epcot, so I don't know what that means, but as long as I can get my...
Beverly, right?
Beverly, for sure. Just my different drinks for free, little samples, that's all I ask. Electric Umbrella, I'm very sad about. They said they're going to put a new restaurant in Future World, but... Electric Umbrella itself is probably going to be gone forever. That's sad. Fountain View, which is the Starbucks location right now, but they said they were going to relocate Starbucks, of course. So,
they better.
Yeah, of course. The Epcot Character Spot. So there's going to be different places to meet the characters now. I think they said Minnie was going to be moving in where Duffy used to meet, in the gazebo right there, next to that store in World Showcase.
Yeah. And
then Mickey was moving to the Imagination Pavilion, I believe. So they're just dispersing them. And then I think they said they were going to reopen Character Spot in the future.
Okay.
Like a refurbished one.
Yeah. So basically, it's all going to be closed right there when you first enter Epcot.
And then there's two more. There's
more.
Mouse Gear, which is the store, the main store. And they said they were going to close that for renovation. So it is going to be reopening.
Right.
And then there is the Camera Center located underneath Spaceship Earth. And they said that was going to be reopening as well.
Okay.
So.
Wow. That's
a
a really big renovation for Epcot, and it's going to be tough to go through, but I feel like it's going to be so beautiful.
I mean, with the concept art that they released a while ago, it's definitely very open concept. It looks... I think there were a lot of trees in it as well. You know, make it feel a little bit more natural and
get some shade
beautiful.
In there.
Oh yeah, definitely. That's something we need. So it'll be really interesting just to see how they go about this.
Wow, we'll have to get to Epcot before all that.
Oh yeah, no, I want to get some do a photo shoot inside of Electric Umbrella. Like the aesthetic in there is really nice.
They should sell those really cool umbrellas. I would buy one.
I think they should sell like a shirt with like the signage up above the menus.
Yes.
And it has like the lightning inside of it. That's cool.
Really cool.
I think they should sell a shirt with that on it.
Lots of change coming to Epcot.
Yeah.
Are you a first-time Walt Disney World visitor? Create magical memories that will last a lifetime with the My First Disney Getaway package from Mousefan Travel. To get a free quote with no obligation, head to mousefantravel.com.
Planning a trip to Walt Disney World to experience Star Wars Galaxy's Edge next month? You can save up to $85 with multiple ticket offers from Undercover Tourist. For more information, visit undercovertourist.com.
Disneyland's newest parking structure, Pixar Pals, is now open to guests months ahead of schedule.
This new structure features 6 levels, all themed to your favorite Pixar films, as well as additional entry lanes and a new electronic inventory system to speed up the guest parking process and reduce traffic.
Guests can now enter Pixar Pals in their vehicles on Magic Way.
I think that Disneyland parking fills up pretty quickly. They don't have a lot of room there, so it's very good, especially with Galaxy's Edge open, that they have a whole new parking structure and months ahead of schedule. That's great.
100%. That was very smart, very good that they were able to open that ahead of schedule for a special, like you said, Galaxy's Edge, and anything to reduce traffic will make anyone happy.
And then now they have the new, what is it, the emotional whirlwind over there?
We are going to talk about that in just a minute.
Well, we'll get to that in a second. But first, Universal Studios Hollywood has announced a new experience that is sure to entice Halloween Horror Nights fans.
Guests can experience this year's Horror Nights offerings before the general public with the park's first ever fan preview night on Thursday, September 12th.
For just $69 per person, fans can enjoy access to this year's 10 haunted houses, scare zones, and attractions, themed photo ops with scare actors, DJs, spinning tunes, a commemorative credential, and themed food and drinks.
To learn more about how to get your ticket, visit attractionsmagazine.com.
That's a lot of special stuff.
Yes,
and it's early, too. That's crazy.
I know. That's a really exclusive event, it looks like, and it looks like it's also 100% worth it. To be able to go first, kind of experience all those things, and get those commemorative, items.
It's interesting that it's... I wonder how much a regular night ticket to Halloween Horror Nights is, because... it seems like that's less expensive. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that.
It's a good deal. I would do it if I was over there.
Oh, yeah.
Or if they offered it in Orlando.
Definitely.
People would snatch that up right away. So, oof. It's coming around the corner.
And now back to what I was talking about before. The Pixar Pier has celebrated its first anniversary at Disney California Adventure last week with the opening of a brand new ride.
On Inside Out Emotional Whirlwind, guests can take a spin in one of 8 memory movers guided by joy, sadness, fear, anger, and disgust.
This opening is part of Pixar Pier's 4th and final Pixar-themed neighborhood. And it comes with the opening of the Pixar
Pier parking structure.
Yeah, exactly.
They go hand in hand. This ride looks adorable. Definitely family friendly right there next to the coaster in Pixar Pier. Probably not the most wildest ride in the wilderness, but if you have little ones, it looks adorable. And
yeah, and I love they have like the wall with all the memory spheres on them, whatever you want to call them.
And I saw that, it looks really beautiful when it's lit up at night.
Yeah.
So, I'm sure it's really cool to see there in that little
It's
area.
one of those new walls. New Disney walls.
Instagram walls.
Gotta get your picture with the Inside Out memory wall.
That's right.
Disneyland also made a surprise announcement last week. The Main Street Electrical Parade will return for a limited time engagement this summer.
The iconic, spectacular festival pageant of nighttime magic and imagination will return on August 2nd and will travel down Main Street, USA nightly through September 30th.
This is very interesting to me. I think that the Main Street Electrical Parade is it just keeps on coming back.
Keeps chugging along, that's why you never know. Saying goodbye does not mean it's forever.
Yeah,
so.
Especially with the parade.
Correct. And it is such a classic parade, and I'm glad it's coming back. And it is weird. It's like, okay, we were mentally prepared to never see it again. Just kidding. We're going to bring it back.
And they did this before as well.
Yes.
Because remember they had the video and it was all in the warehouse and then it came to life and flew out of the warehouse or whatever.
It flew back in.
Yeah.
It flew back in.
And then it flew back out again.
Oh, I can't keep up.
Head to a galaxy far, far away with our commemorative summer 2019 issue of Attractions Magazine. It's finally open. We take a look inside Star Wars Galaxy's Edge and show you all around this immersive new land. Talk to a few of the Disney cast members and Imagineers behind the creation, and even look at the Star Wars land that never was. Plus the latest news, rumors, and more packed into every issue. Get your copy and subscribe today at attractionsmagazine.com in print or digital in our app on Nook and Kindle.
After its 12-year run as the longest-running multi-camera series in television history, original sets from The Big Bang Theory have been added to the Warner Brothers Studio Tour in Hollywood.
Our reporter Joe got to check out all the fun photo ops the show set had to offer. Take a look.
Hi guys, this is Joe with Attractions Magazine here live in front of stage 25 on the Warner Brothers lot here in Hollywood. Today, the Warner Brothers Hollywood Studio Tour is opening up their stage-to-screen exhibit with the sets of the most famous show to film on this stage, The Big Bang Theory. So we're gonna check it out. The Warner Brothers Studio Tour has always been a place where you can get up close and personal with some of the classic props, costumes, and sets from Hollywood's golden age, from Casablanca to the old gangster films and even the classic musical My Fair Lady. But now there's a brand new exhibit at the Warner Brothers Studio Tour, and that's the sets of The Big Bang Theory. Warner Brothers has taken all of the most famous sets from The Big Bang Theory, the Caltech cafeteria, Sheldon's apartment, Penny's door, the broken elevator, and restored them all as a part of their stage-to-screen exhibit on the studio tour. When you come, you're welcome to come take pictures in Sheldon's spot on the couch, try your hand at the broken elevator. You can even knock on the door and ask for Penny. It's a lot of fun. Penny? 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 The Big Bang Theory sets are open now on the Warner Brothers studio tour in Hollywood. Come check them out. I think this elevator's broken.
Our knowledge through the training and through our hands-on work that we're able to do day to day really, I think, sets us apart.
I think our agents have such a passion for travel and such a depth of knowledge and so much experience that we can put our clients at ease and make their trip easy.
MEI and MouseFan Travel is your expert source for no-fee travel planning. Visit MEI-travel.com for a no-obligation quote today.
Skip the lines with undercover tourists, crowd calendars, touring plans, and mobile apps. Stop paying full price for your family vacation and visit Undercover Tours today.
Celebrity cats and their fans pounced on the Pasadena Convention Center for the 5th annual CatCon.
The convention, which calls itself the world's biggest cat-centric pop culture event, invited attendees to celebrate all things feline and help find forever homes for over 200 adoptable animals.
Our reporter Melanie was there to catch all the cats in action. Check it out.
If you have allergies, you may want to take your medicine before watching this.
Achoo!
Achoo.
Oh.
Hi, I'm Melanie Gable, reporting for Attractions Magazine, and we're here in Pasadena, California at CatCon, which is the world's original and largest feline-themed expo. So let's take a look. Paradise City right now, which is an interactive, feline-themed, of course, interactive exhibit with several different rooms that CatCon guests can explore. Thank you for joining us for CatCon 2019. We had a perfectly good time, and now I'm off for a cat nap. Bye!
Have you downloaded our free Attractions Magazine app? It features news articles, as well as every issue of our magazine available right in the app. Plus, catch up on all episodes of the show, and even view all of our online videos in one place. Download the app for free in the App Store today.
This week's birthday shout-outs go out to Stephen Miranda, Austin and Justin Kearns, Charles Miles, Scott Swenson, Stephen Calamusa, Ali Flores, Josh Taylor, and our reporter, Theron White.
Happy birthday, everyone! Want to get a unique gift for the theme park fan in your life? Pick up one of our mystery merch boxes.
Inside, you'll find a variety of cool promotional and media-exclusive items from theme parks, cruises, movie screenings, and other unique places and experiences.
No two mystery merch boxes are the same. Pick yours up today at attractionsmagazine.com/store.
Now we want to thank MEI, MouseFan, and Universal Fan Travel, our preferred travel agent. For a free quote with no obligation, visit MEItravel.com.
And thanks to Undercover Tourist, our recommended supplier of discount tickets to Orlando and California attractions. For more information, visit undercovertourist.com.
Give Kids the World Village is a nonprofit resort that provides week-long, cost-free vacations to children with life-threatening illnesses and their families. To learn more about how to get involved, visit gktw.org. All right, so some cool stuff coming up next week over at Coronado Springs. The Grand Destino Tower is going to be opening up next Tuesday. We'll have a report on next week's show. I feel like it's been under construction for so long.
Yeah, no, I agree. I think it looks cool, though. I think the nice architecture and the way that it is going to fit in with Coronado is going to be really nice.
I have not been over there in years and years and years. We used to stay there growing up. You know, when we lived in Maryland, we'd come stay, but I need to go check it out, definitely.
Yeah, Coronado's really nice.
It is.
And they have a nice dining area there, and I'm sure the new tower will have its own sort of stuff like that. So we'll have to see.
Yep.
Do you have any plans for 4th of July? Or?
July 4th, just going to have dinner with my family.
Okay.
We got a new dog recently.
Yes, you did.
His name is Jax. He's a little baby. He's like 12 weeks old now, and he's a lot. But he's a cute little Chihuahua mix, so he's going to keep us busy too. And him and now his older brother, puppy Brody, will be keeping us very busy.
Well, all I'm going to do is watch Stranger Things.
Nice.
That's my only plans for the day. Just Stranger Things 3 all day.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, what else would you?
Yeah, you'll watch
you're not
Stranger Things and you'll have like the fireworks sounds in the background and you're just like, yes, America. This is what America is.
Yeah, just terror and destruction and the 80s.
No.
Exactly.
Not quite, but yes. So we'll be very busy. I'm glad you have your plans as well. Hopefully all of you will be enjoying yourselves. So whatever you choose to do, have fun. Thank you so much for joining us. We hope you'll tune in again next week.
Until then, visit your local attractions, try something new, stay safe, but most of all, have fun.
Restored them all as a part of their stage to screen partner.